Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an office tour. So my husband and I decided to get an office that is outside of our home, mainly because we are opening up a church. We're launching a church at the end of the month. And since we are launching a church, we're meeting a lot of different people. We're meeting with them. They're going to be helping us out. And so we wanted to have a space that was just outside of our home to be able to meet with the different people and still get different things done within the community. So I wanted to share that with you. We're going to be doing a day in the life. I haven't done one of these in quite some time. I actually wanted this video to be a week in the life, but I only have recorded Tuesday, so I'll probably just add in some clips from Tuesday and today, which is Thursday, just so you can have more footage in this video. So today we are going to be doing an office tour. I also do have to stop at the cleaners and drop off some clothes. We're going to be answering some emails, and I'm going to be doing some filming at the office, working on my presentation for my class tonight, because I do have to teach a class for all of the students who are part of the Organize You. And then after that, I'm going to be completing some orders, and that will be it for today. So we can talk really quick about what I am wearing. I have on this Zara camel jacket. It is one of my favorite jackets. Really love the buttons and the details on here because they're gold. They look super, super nice, along with a tan turtleneck. This is from Amazon. My Majori necklace, the bracelet is from Pretty Pieces Company, and my watch is Olivia Burton. Natural hair out today. I just did a flat twist out, and that's it. Okay, so packed up my bag for the day. Today I am carrying my Michael Kors. As you can see, I've thrown in here my laptop, and I also do carry my planner with me. I get that question all the time. I do have my planner on me, and I have my brainstorming notebook as well. So anytime I am carrying a bigger bag, which I usually will do if I'm like headed to the office, doing work things, heading to meetings, stuff like that, I will carry both my laptop and my planner on me. So here is a look inside the office. Hey, Tori.
Hey.
And as you can see, we have about 4 desks in here. We haven't decorated or done anything to the space really yet, but look at the view. The view is the thing that sold me. Love this view right outside. You can see the fountain right from the window. Love it. So right now, this is my desk. As you could just see, I just have my planner out, my computer, purse on my desk, and my notebook. Really and truly, we haven't done any decorating yet. This is a Tori's desk right now. We have file cabinets under each one of our desks, and I'm probably gonna put a bookcase in the corner, but that's pretty much going to be it. I do not like having a bunch of different trinkets and things in the office. I feel like whenever you do that to rooms, it just makes me feel cluttered. So that's probably not gonna happen. I'm going to keep it very spacious, very, very, very simple. So we have been in this spot since Monday, and we did have our Tuesday team meeting here as well in the conference room. I'll insert a clip of just showing you what that space looks like. And that was another big selling point for us, because we have been having a lot of meetings at our house, trying to still get things done. And we really wanted to be able to have room room to grow, and it felt like we wasn't really gonna have that type of room at our house. So now I am just going to do some additional admin work. I do have to answer some emails. I wanted to do a couple of reels. By the time this video comes out, the reel will already be on Instagram. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure that you head over there and follow me as well. I'm always posting content there. So let's go ahead and get into some admin work. Yes, I wanted to place an order for pickup.
Yep, go ahead.
2 vegetable rolls, 2 orders of vegetable rolls, and some edamame. So it's been a couple of hours since I have talked to you guys. I have gotten some admin work done a little bit of filming, and I just ordered lunch. So I decided to try a new sushi spot that's really close to the office. I said I wanted to start trying different spots that were around here. So I ordered myself something and also ordered Tori something. Probably gonna pick that up and then head back home. Okay, so I think I'm going to close out the vlog here. It's about 2 o'clock right now. I am planning on doing more work, getting out some orders, and just preparing for my class tonight. But all of that is gonna be just like me basically in front of the computer. So I feel like it would be just boring and unnecessary to show you guys that part. So I'm gonna close it out here, but thank you all so much for coming to the new office with me. Let me know in the comments below if y'all want more day in the lives, or if you just have another video idea that you would like me to do. So leave it in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.